What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. Still out in NorCal. So we are here in Vacaville. This has consistently been one of the best Nike outlets in NorCal. I think this one and the clearance store. And on top of that, they got freaking refurbs. Okay. Of course, gotta start with my size 10, 10 and a half. Look at this 10 and a half. $58. 58 bucks. It's gently worn. I want to see. Yeah, I don't really think they've been tried on, but I don't think they've been worn. Because these get toasted. These get toasted hella quick and not really like that. I think it's been tried on, but Panda Dunks for under 50 bucks. That is crazy. And then dude got Jordan 38s already under 100, so $80 for these bad boys right here. These are gently worn as well. Got Scorpions right here, 10 and a half, 125. These are gently worn. Size 10 Air Max 97s go for $93. Got Zoom Freak 5s go for $70, slightly imperfect. Vomero, what are these? Vomero 16s go for $75, gently worn. Cosmic Unities down to $80, gently worn as well. Infinity Run. Oh, these aren't the. Nah, they tricked me. Phantom Run React Flying 2s go for $73. That's gently worn. Got some Yankees off-court slides, $20. $20, and then you get another 20 off, so that's 16 bucks. Holy cow. Zoom X right here. What are these? Are these the Zoom Fly 5s going for $85? These are size 11 though. I was like, I can wear some size 11s. Look at this, Air Forces, gently worn, $65. Slightly imperfect Force Highs right here going for $65. More Forces right here, $65 for these, gently worn. Metcon 8s going for $65. Slightly imperfect. Tatum 1s right here, size 12, $60, gently worn. Savelios powerlifting shoes right here, slightly imperfect, $63. Size 13 Air Max 90 Gore-Tex going for $80. That's a hell of a deal. That is slightly imperfect though, so you gotta check those. X89 more slightly imperfect going for $50. GT Jump 2s, more imperfect ones right here, go for $90. Sometimes it's just like little glue stains and stuff, so it's sometimes super minor. Got some LeBron 19s go for $100. Size 17 or 17s. Moving over to the smaller sizes now. More Forces, $68 for these. Offline 2.0, $65, gently worn. Nike Calm Slides right here go for $50. Those aren't refurb though. Metcons right here, size 8.5, $65 for these. One of my boys did ask me to look out for them. Let's see if he wants these. These are, what are these? These are $65. After 20% off, it'd be like what, $52, $53, 53 bucks, something like that. Kind of look like the Infinity Run 4s, but slightly different. The toe box looks a little different. These are the Vomero 17s, 8.5, go for $80. Slightly imperfect though. Air Max 90, slightly imperfect, go for $65. I'm gonna hold on to this for a little bit because I did hit up my boy, see if he wanted these. Let's move on to the regular clearance section back here. It goes on for a bit too. Once again, starting with the 10 and a halves. $60 for these. This is size 9 though. Dang it, it's in the wrong area. Zoom Generations. This is the cheapest we've ever seen these. $95. This is the OG colorway too. Damn, I'm so tempted to grab these. Damn, but man, I gotta save my money for the 4s. And look at this. This is why this is my favorite Nike outlet in Northern California. Look at this. LeBron 20s go for $90, and then look right under Jordan 1s right here. I think these are golf. Yeah, these are golf. $190. They're like the Jordan 1 Paulins, but they're the golf version. Oh, okay. Size 10 right here. Got Jordan 1 AJKOs go for $140. More Metcons down here, but these are size 10, $110 for these. We do got some Pegasus 89s right here. These are wild. Yeah, these are hella wild. What the hell is up with these? Don't remember this release, to be really honest. These are going for 140. Yeah, man, this is definitely wild. What's inside? What's inside there? Take out the trash. Oh, okay. Guess made out of a bunch of recycled stuff, I guess. Okay. This is a Golf 140. Another one of these. Man, that's so cheap, dude. $60. That's what, 48 bucks? Ton in the smaller sizes. None my size though. These Blazer Low acronyms down to $40. All white 95s in a size 8, 140. LeBron 21s, these are 9.5. 2 bills still, dang it. Del Dons, these are in the 11.5 section. But it's a women's 11.5, which means size 10 men's. $40 after the discount. That is just hella cheap. Dunks right here go for $100. These are 11s. Also, the Sakai Dunks as well going for $50. Got some Terminators right here. Nike by You Terminators going for $80. I thought that first two right there was like smudged out. I was like, what? Did they accidentally misprice these? No, they didn't. Those are the Alpha X% 2s. Then of course got some oh, I thought these were Terminators. Got Air Force 1s on the ground. Air Force 1 mids. Let's check the price on these. $90 for these. Got Infinity Run 4s right here, going for $160. I can't believe I grabbed 2 of these for $25. I gave one to my kid. The 8.5 did fit him. Size 13 with the Dunk mids right here, going for $70. Remember Dunks were like crazy. Nike by You Sabrinas right here, $160. It's like a Simpsons colorway, right? Metcons go for $75. Another one of these. Another one of these. These have been going for $60. Ooh, this one's interesting right here. $105 for these. These are size 9.5. Got that reflective material, which is pretty cool. 13s with the Air Force 1 low right there, but that is a utility. Going for $80. Oh, got some wheat mids right there. Go for $150. Got Jordan 1 Elements with Gore-Tex. Go for 2 bills. Ambush Air Force 1s right here. Size 14, 110. 110 for these Air Max 1s right here. Vomero 5s, $150. Then the huge sizes, size 18s. Knicks Jordan 1 mids go for $90. $125 for those. Size 15. Dude, got Luka 2s, $130. Those Dunk mids, those are $70. And Vacaville, man, I came here, 3 years ago for the first time, and they had a ton of retros back in the day. I think it was like 2019 when I did come here. They had a ton of retros. Still got some dope stuff. When I first started my channel, I did come out here one time. And yeah, we're checking out the clothes. I got another one of these. Another one of these. This is pretty dope. Pretty dope. This is made out of the tech fleece material. And it's just kind of like a jacket, a coat. Kind of like a coat. Do not see a price tag. Do not feel a price tag. But yeah, these, I think the retail was like 3 bills for these. George Kittle jersey. They're down to $175. Oh, dang, that's like a expensive one. But it's $175 down to $175. Huge winter coat right here, $250 for this one. This is a size large, big old poofy jacket. Oh, got the Super Nintendo Jordan pants right here, down to $30. $30. These are both XL. Got this one right here as well, probably the same price. Yep, $30. XL for those. This one's just hella premium right here, super thick material. The price tag reflects that. This is a small though. Wow, that's really good material. Pants made out of similar material but not as thick. And yeah, these are going for $65, or is it $45? I have no clue. Because it says suggested retails up top. They flipped it. Here's what it is. Got some black ones right here. Yep, they did flip it. $75 down to $50. All right, I did talk to my boy. I don't think he wants these. He's not a fan of the gum bottoms. I was like, what? What? All these young kids? Someone to throw these back. And whenever that happens, I always come back. I'm like, I need to check some more. I need to check some more. See, I didn't see these. Nike by You.
Okay, cool, sounds good, man.
Nike by You Air Max 1s. These are size 13 though, but I didn't see these. Interesting texture on the leather. Holy cow, look at this. Look at this. Alpha Menace cleats right here. And look at this. Look at this. What the hell? It's just cheap. $23. 23 bucks. It is slightly imperfect. All right, this place is so freaking huge. I'm like walking around like crazy. All right, let's check out the aisles, man. I need to wrap things up. I can't believe they have these, the Jordan 4 red cements. And man, these are dope, dude. These are dope. I did grab one. I think I grabbed 2. Do I still have 2 of these? Did I get rid of one? I have no clue. I have no clue. But these are B grade. They are B grade. Like this one right here, like that part looks a little imperfect. So it looks like they still try to get that full money though. What's up with that? What's up with that? I always thought that was a little weird how. But yeah, like each of these you're gonna want to check because look, there's like a little bit of glue right there. That's probably the issue with this pair. And just so you guys know, they do mark each of the shoe now. That's kind of a new thing. They mark the box and the shoe before. They wouldn't do that. And it comes with a replacement box. But these still dope if it's for you. I don't know. I'm good with the imperfects. Most of the times they're not even that bad. They got these 1 highs right here. 7 infrared whites or the white infrareds. Got these lows right here. These are the SE. Talked about these a million times. Just superb material. Just super soft. Just awful colorway. The center cords right here. Bordeaux 6 Golf right here. Got Air Max 1 Golf right here. These are OG Golfs right here. Air Max 90 Golf right here. And then Air Max 1 OG Golf right here as well. Then they do have Jordan 2s. We've been seeing these Jordan 2s. I don't think we've seen those for 100. But we've been seeing these for quite some time at the outlets. We got Team J's right here. And we have an entire row of Team J's. These are the Zoom 92s. Got the Max Aura 2s right here, and I think these are Max Aura 1s. Zoom Separates. Got another row right here. GT Hustle 2s. Cosmic Unity 2s. Cosmic Unity, the OGs. Hyperdunk 2017 lows. Multiple colorways of these. Zoom Freak 4s being given away. Zoom Freak 5s soon to be given away. I skipped a lot of the Nike basketball because it's all stuff that we've seen over and over. Air Force 1 highs right here. Do got the Billie Eilish, $70. They just keep dropping and dropping. If they had the, what is it, the tan one, I probably would pick it up, especially for this price. But yeah, I do got the Billie Eilish right here. Got sizes up to size 12. And got more and more Air Forces, Dunk, highs. Been seeing a plethora of those. Hey, University Red, yeah. And of course, Air Max 2017's been seeing those everywhere lately. Air Max Plus right here. Another one right there. And then they do have NFC Champ. Yeah, we don't need these. We don't need these. I want Super Bowl champion shirts. I don't want NFC champion shirts. And they're going for $60. They're not even cheap anyways. They do have LeBron jerseys down to $85. They got pants for 20% off. They got some deals. But I gotta go. Man. I gotta do some work. I gotta go actually work. I think I'm gonna grab these right here for that kiddo that I'm buying presents for, and then I think we're done. They got even more stuff behind the counter. Nothing super dope. They even have the, what are those? Oh, the grade school infrared 7s. Got a few dunks right there. Got couple dunk lows, and then stuff over there. I don't think those are 20% off, including the Jordan 1 or the Jordan 3s right there. But they got stuff. At least they got stuff. Interesting. All right, so I did grab one. And yeah, man, it was $36 for the Air Force Ones. I gotta go, you guys. I gotta go. Definitely appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for making it to the end of the video. Make sure you guys help a boy, press that like button if you're new, subscribe. And we out, man. We out. You know, we got one more stop. I'm gonna try to stop by the clearance store, but yeah, I gotta go work for a little bit and then hit up the clearance store, and then we done, man. We done. A lot of the scenery a lot nicer out in the Bay Area. Can't really see. You got cool bridges and stuff like that. This is a tollway though, which is kind of annoying too, but you know, that's what it is. Dang, I can't show you guys the bay, man. That sucks. But yeah, going to Petaluma. Cool bridges. Okay, there you go, there you go. Bridges are always cool, man. Bridges are fun.